Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be diving into a tool that we use for our publishing business, and we're going to show you exactly how you can use it too. The clip I'm going to be showing is the one we offer on our course, narrated by Alex, while I'll be explaining the pricing and showing you exactly how to install it and get started for yourself. Hopefully, you can use this as a resource, and that way you have a better idea of how to integrate this tool into your business. Or, if you're trying to decide if it's the right tool for you, that this will give you this sort of inside perspective that you need. So, without further ado, let's get into it. If you're new to the channel or new to passive income, then welcome. My name is Sarah, and this is I Publish Ghostwriters. On this channel, we're here to help you create passive income that works for you, especially when it comes to online publishing. We've published hundreds of books in dozens of different languages on Amazon, KDP, Ingram Spark, Audible, and tons more. The content we create is to help you do the same thing and achieve the sort of financial freedom that passive income can bring. As always, if you like this video or you want to see more like it, go ahead and leave a like down below so that we can provide you with the kind of content that you want to see. And if you want more videos like this or on passive income, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. That way you never miss a single video. We're always trying new things so that we can bring you the best tips, tricks, and tutorials. So you're going to want to stay dialed in. Alright, so with that out of the way, let me show you how you can download this. This is the tool. This is KDSpy. You can find it on the Chrome web store. I do believe there is also a Firefox extension for this, and you can use it all the same. You are just going to add it to your Chrome. It comes up with a little, here we go. Little pop-up here. We are going to add extension. And as you can see, it's been added, and we are going to open it up and take a look at that. See the little button here? Opens up a new tab, and it brings us to Amazon. Make sure you are signed out of your Amazon account, just so you can get proper listings. If you're in your Amazon account, Amazon is using your information to suggest things to you. If you want a clear and unbiased look at things, it does suggest that you keep yourself logged out. We're going to open it up once more, and it pops up here. You got to make sure you make an account. Your create account looks a little bit like this. We do obviously already have an account, and you have your information here. Once you are signed up, let's take a look at what that kind of looks like. All right, and here we have it pulled up. As you can see, we've got books here. You can see how long the books are, what the price is, what the estimated monthly sales are, and everything like this. This is what your what it's going to look like when you open it up. And when you're looking up your keywords, this is how it's going to navigate it. I am going to be switching over to Alex's narration of how to use it, because he's been using it longer and can give you a significantly better description of it. Hopefully this gives you a taste of what is offered in our course. You get his expertise and his explanations throughout. There are some videos by me, but there's a good amount by him. So I'm going to switch over to that clip now, and at the end I am going to go through pricing and let you know that there is going to be a link down below if you are interested in getting this tool. It is a fantastic tool, and it's industry standard. You know, it is something that will give you all the tools that you need. So going forward, I will see you guys at the end.
So if we go to Amazon Kindle, I typed in emotional intelligence, 6,000 results for this keyword. I'm going to always reinforce stuff that I've taught or will be teaching, so you see it multiple times in multiple different ways. So 6,000 results for emotional intelligence, and the first two are always sponsored ad. This is my book here. Side note, you're always going to make money, because if you could place ads and your book is coming up in these results, as you could see. Let me just click into it so you could see quickly. This is a $40 book, right? And it's the first one up there. The cover is okay, and they took out the ad. All right, so what Kindle? Let's go back. So what Kindle Spy does for this keyword, or any keyword you type in, it's going to give you analytics on all the books that are not ads. So I'm going to click on here, the icon, Kindle Spy, and it formulates all of the books on the first 20 books of the first page, and you could also do the second 20. But anyway, when you look at it, it gives you the BSR. We will always be looking at the BSR. I'm going to show you that in the lessons coming up. But anything in the 100 range, like 134 below, is selling. So you're making decent money with it every week. So this first book here is 14,000. That's this book here. This guy's like the godfather of emotional intelligence, Coleman. The second book here, Emotional Intelligence 2.0, it's this book here. It's selling even better, 8,713 BSR. So when you're looking at keywords, right, you want to quickly see if this keyword is profitable. When you look at all of the books on the first page, if they're selling, this is selling super well, super well, super well, selling well, okay, selling well, selling well, selling well, not super great, but selling. And I'm going to talk to you about the strategies and how to really interpret this these numbers based on my experience and publishing hundreds of books. Okay, so let's just type another keyword so you see how this works. Let's just type keto diet, and we have 10,000 results for keto diet. Very competitive. First two are ads, and they're not going to show up on the Kindle Spy. So if we hit Kindle Spy up here, it's going to formulate numbers. As you could see, keto diet, and it's calculating the first 20 books. Let it finish. It's doing its thing. It tells us that the first book is selling well. All of these books are selling well. This is a very profitable keyword, keto diet. It's also very competitive. This also confirms it here. Warning, the competition here is very strong. Caution, the revenue potential for books under this keyword looks a little average, and it's performing well. Anyway, you will learn to understand these numbers, and this gives it to you very nicely. If you don't have that, I also gave you access to this product here that gives you the numbers right at the bottom. This is the BSR, so you don't even have to do Kindle Spy. If you don't want to spend the money in Kindle Spy, you could just do the DS Amazon Quick View, which I gave that lesson introduction in the last lesson, and it gives you the same numbers. You see, 47,000. It's the same numbers that you're going to have in here, 47,000. This is what you're looking at analyzing. Anyway, we all use this. It's a very useful tool as you're just typing around, search terms. Let's type in self-discipline. And this is even more competitive, 30,000. Let's do the Kindle Spy and see if it's a profitable keyword. Without having to scroll through all the books, this will tell me really quick if stuff is really selling for this keyword, self-discipline. Right off the bat, you're seeing bigger numbers here. These two are going to be ads, so it doesn't calculate that. The very first book, it's 344,000. The second book is 29,000. The third book is 76,000. And it's just calculating all of those BSR numbers. And this BSR is updated on an hourly basis, but profitable keywords are going to show you that. And that's how you use this tool.
So with that, we have the part that I mentioned before, and I was going to be talking about pricing. So, like I said, we have a link down below that is going to bring you directly to this site, which is going to give you the KDSpy, purchase page or login, all of that. When you click this here, you do see you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it in 60 days, you get your money back. That's as simple as it is. So we're going to click that. It brings us down to here. As you can see, the regular price is $97. Today it is $59, so about $60. It is $562 worth of value. This is everything you get in there. It is honestly so worth it. It is our #1 tool when we are doing our niche research, along with other tools. We will be doing another video in the coming weeks. It is going to be sort of a comparison of this and other similar products. We do use more than one product. However, when you're first getting started, maybe you don't want to invest in all of the different products all at once. That's perfectly okay. You don't have to. If you're going to get started anywhere, now you have sort of that inside look of how this product works and how you can start using it for your business. That way you have a good idea of what niches are profitable, how you should target your books and things like that. If you enjoyed the style of this video, the way that Alex taught you how to use it and how he uses it in our business, then you might really enjoy our course. Again, that link is down below as well. It is $197 single-time purchase, gets you everything you need as well as the members-only group within the course. It's not a Facebook group. It just comes with your course, and it gives you sort of a place to discuss things, a place to talk about or troubleshoot some issues, and we are always on. We are always checking those comments. We are always checking comments within the within each of the lessons, things like that, and answering them as much as we can. Most of the course is Alex teaching you directly how to do the things that he does every day with the business. But some of them is done by me. Some of them I show you how to set up accounts. I show you how to do things like that. And yeah, from there, you're just going to want to check out our links down below. We've got everything ready for you, all of the tools that we use here on the channel. And that is going to be it for today. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, make sure you leave a like down below and make sure you're subscribed to the channel with post notifications turned on, because we are constantly putting out new videos for you to reinvest in yourself, start your own business, start making money on the side, start making passive income, because that is what this account is about. And if you want to see more videos like this, let us know down in the comments. Let us know what you liked, what you want to see. If you want to see a specific topic covered, let me know. But that is going to be all for today. So I'll see you guys around soon.